Right. Now it is time to gaze into Lilu's future.
Are we gonna... What if I drink it first? So maybe I'll know what happens to Bryan?
Yeah.
Possibly.
Future. Oh, that's big, right?
As you drink the potion, this is what happens. Your vision begins to swirl with golden light. And you see the following in your vision. You stand at an old beach. Behind you, there are houses made out of white cobblestone and beautiful aquamarine tiles. You see what appear to be old ancient humans wearing togas and other such old styles of dress. You see that there are amber shards that are strewn about the streets as they celebrate and cry out together. You see another vision of a great eye opening and a giant standing before you, a cyclops. It smiles with a warmth as it points into the horizon. Your eyes turn and you travel down the horizon spiritually. Water, the sky, land scrapes by you. Visions of color, kaleidoscopic, unseeable, but yet brimming with purpose. And then you find yourself standing beside a young girl in front of a great burning blue flame. She will turn to Lilu and she will say, "It seems I'm not the last of my kind anymore. The Oracle's burden is a terrible one. The seer's sight, a cursed gift." She will look into Lilu's eyes, and there will be a flash of insight. Alright. There is going to be an enemy that you will face. That enemy will cause you to make a choice. If you choose the selfish option, Lilu, something terrible will happen. And you find yourself standing in the room, as if all else is well.
Cool.
So,
Okay.
what
Yeah.
Lilu, hold on a minute. Hold up a sec. I'm gonna go sit on the bed.
What? Just process that for a second.
I'm gonna process the information. I saw a lot of things, guys. Holy shit, man. I think I lived a lifetime.
EMT in that bottle.
Crazy.
Can I can I briefly summarize what I've
You can
seen?
you can just say what I said. You can just say
Yeah.
because you've all heard me, so yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see anything about Bryan? Because she's about to take the transformation potion.
Shots, guys. Let's go.
Oh, I mean, she
No.
didn't see anything about
I
Bryan.
didn't see, so nothing bad can happen, right?
Right.
Yeah, there's no way
Chug
this
it.
could go wrong.
Chug,
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 go for it.
chug, chug.
My life is meaningless without Babylon. So this shot.
All
Let's
right.
go.
All right.
I chug.
As you drink the potion of Azure Light, everything becomes still.
Oh, she's dead.
I'm flat.
You notice that your friends, your allies, are all frozen, as if unmoving. No breath is made. No noises. They are frozen, still framed. The room will begin to darken.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Sure, it's fine. That's just a little shot. Ooh.
Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, it's getting real dark.
Oh, it's dark. Guys, we have to freeze in place.
I'm half vampire. I like the dark. It's comfortable here. I'm fine.
And then you will see someone appear on the bed.
Oh.
A finely dressed...
Oh.
It's the only place to sit. Don't get too excited. A finely dressed black-haired gentleman with heterochromic eyes of red and blue
Corky.
will be sitting on the bed, looking at you.
Is there a picture of him?
Oh, wait. Oh,
Oh my god!
Wait, what the fuck?
whoa.
Oh, dude, he's good looking.
Where'd you?
Whoa, he's
Ooh,
not.
he's hot!
Oh god, he's so
No.
cute.
Bryan,
He reminds me
don't
of that
mess this up!
dude from
Hey,
Hunter x
come on.
Hunter, Crawlo. That looks like.
And then he will speak.
What a strange meeting, child. That you would summon me here with a simple drink. Tell me, why have you done so?
Hi, Babylon. Sorry if you were, busy. I just wanted to point out that you're on the bed. I've been exploring. Could I sit next to you? Just relax a little.
The audacity of such a statement is courageous and is rewarded with allowance.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm blushing.
You're so lucky, Bryan!
Just gonna, come over here, right over here,
All right, you sit down, and the frozen state of Lilu's pushed a little to the side, and then he will say,
My eye has been on you, child of the night. I have seen your dedication. You have already claimed one life on my behalf. But I see more than you. There are yet perilous trials that you have yet to face, and I cannot help but wonder if you will falter in its face.
I live only for you, Babylon. I will not let you down.
Your desire for my affection is expected, but my love must be earned. Very well. There is someone whose life I wish to be ended. Do this for me, and perhaps I shall visit thee again.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Who?
Babylon will take Bryan's hand and will turn it palms up, and within it he will place a black scroll.
This has his name, his face. Find him, make him bleed, and then I will see you again.
He will lean
Yes,
forward
sir.
as if to kiss you, and then will dissipate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
And
Were we aware of this at all? Or was it like no time has
How many
passed?
seconds has it been?
time passed
Never mind.
very slowly, and no one saw anything except that Bryan is suddenly sitting next to Lilu.
Whoa, where did you come from?
Oh, hey, Lilu.
Well, you can teleport?
Oh, no. I think you just blinked.
Oh. So did that
no.
potion do anything?
Tell us what happened in detail.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Tell me in detail!
Tell me in detail.
Tell me everything!
I met Babylon.
What was it like?
Okay. I bet he looked like a scary
He was
demon.
everything I've ever imagined.
Was he hot?
Oh, yeah. The hottest.
Like out of 10?
I touched his hand. We're pretty much, yeah.
That's like first base.
You guys are pretty much married.
Almost. I just have to kill someone for him and then he'll consider it, but
Oh, no problem. Who do you have to
Yeah.
kill?
Who do you have to kill? Who do you have to
oh,
kill?
I'm not sure yet as I look down at the scroll.
What's
What-
that?
What is that?
He gave it to me. I'm supposed to murder whoever's information is on this scroll.
Wait, open it. We're good at murdering people. We'll be the
I-
ultimate wingwoman.
I have to murder him.
Oh, we'll help
Okay,
you. then.
okay.
That's okay. We'll let you get the ace, but we'll like help.
So
We'll let you get
name is
the
on that.
ace.
Okay.
Okay, what's the
I-
name?
I
what's the
opened
name?
the
What's the
scroll.
name?
Let me open the scroll. I'm opening the scroll.
All right. You open the scroll, and the name makes your blood run cold.
Oh, it's gonna be a cliffhanger, isn't it?
It's gonna be one of us.
The name is Vesivin Talisbane.
The dude who took no damage from arrows.
I have the coin right here.
I don't
Yeah,
like
we can
spawn kill him like the Wither in Minecraft. Remember when we
Wait a
shot him in the
minute.
head and he took no
Listen,
damage?
you're evil
I remember that
boyfriend.
too.
I'm an evil boyfriend too.
He's so they're both so hot.
And that is where I will call the session
Oh
with
my
that
Oh
revelation.
my gosh.
That was fun.
I want my evil boyfriend too. They're both so hot.
Although to be fair, Pablo's art was like very nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Very nice.
he's fine.
Yeah, he
Okay.
do be.
I'm so excited for next week.
Me too.
A whole week.
All right, let me save the campaign.